Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be talking all things brow lamination. This came into effect in around 2010 and it's been popular ever since. It was created by a bunch of beauty experts in Russia in replacement of microblading. They saw the effect of perms on hair and they wanted to try the solution for themselves on different parts of the body, such as the eyebrows. It creates a fluffy, beautiful look with styled eyebrows without the pain of tattooing. Today I'm going to be using BrowCode's brow lamination. This is a single serve pack. I like the ease of the product. We've got step-by-step sachets to use. We've got number 1, the bonding solution. You have number 2, the neutralizing solution. And number 3, the leave-in restorative mask. Before you use the restorative mask, you can do eyebrow tinting. Really important to note, guys, with eyebrow tinting, after doing your brow lamination, that the hair follicle in your eyebrow will have opened, so that means the tint's going to take better to your hair. That means you're going to get a result a lot faster than what you normally would if you're going to tint them. It's very important to let your beautician know on the darkness that you want with your tint, whether you want a really dark eyebrow that's going to fade over time, so that gives you a longer lasting result, or whether you want a look that's for now and shorter time frame for the result. Alright, let's jump into it. Come with me. I'm using the restructuring bond solution first. I have my brush here and I'm just going to apply it in upwards strokes so that you guys can see what's going on. And I'll tuck my hair behind my ears. So in upwards strokes. When there's been brow laminations, I know that people often do these videos on other people, but I thought for a point of difference that I'd do it on myself and just explain as I do it what I'm doing. As you can see, I'm going upwards and upwards strokes. With my eyebrow hairs, I've had to push them up in a complete vertical angle because my eyebrow hairs are stubborn and they tend to just go flat. I've already completed one of them. I'll put some plastic wrap over it in a minute. And I'll show you guys as I do it. This is on. I've placed the glade wrap over my eyebrow hairs in the place that they all, in the hope that they all stay in place. The second one now. Now some of my eyebrow hairs have not cooperated, but this is a journey and I'm still learning as well. As you can see, all eyebrows hairs are in place. Now let's leave that for 7 minutes. I've just taken my bonding solution off, so as you can see, the hairs are all in perfect place upwards. Now I'm going to go in with the neutralizing solution. This is to basically set the bonding solution in place. What I notice about this solution is that once you've done the bonding solution, it's a lot easier to direct the hairs in an upward motion. So they look now all in that vertical line that you're wanting, that you're aiming for. I'm going to put plastic over it just to secure it, to block out the oxygen and just to ensure that the solution stays. Okay guys, so it's been 7 minutes with the neutralizer. So I'm just going to take it off, the plastic wrap off. And it feels tingly, which is good because it means that the solution has sunk through my follicles. So take that one off too. Now I will wipe off the solution and upwards motions. Yes, I'm using a paper towel, any kind of thing works. It doesn't need to be a beauty product or a lint pad. The other one. Okay, now that I've done this, before I use the restorative mask, I'm going to tint my eyebrows. I'm going to do this in the mirror. I don't do very well with it on camera, but once I've done it, I'll come back to you and explain to you how the tinting after the lamination works. This is the tint that I have on now, which is natural brown, shade number 3 in Berrywell. I do my brows myself because my beauticians, when they do my brows, don't often do it to my liking, so I prefer to do my own. I'm quite fussy with brows. This is going to stay on for about 10-15 minutes because I do like them quite dark. Now this is because I have a very faded black tattoo underneath for my eyebrows. Long story, but I got that done about 12 years ago when the microblading first came out. It was just new out at the time. I always have to use quite a dark brown to kind of cover up and match the blue-black underneath. Since then I've had to use different forms of, I've gone many tattoo shapes on my eyebrows to try and cover that up. So I leave this on for about 10 to 15 minutes. I've probably left this on for a little bit too long, but you'll get the idea as you see the tint come off. I may have to do this in the mirror because it seems to have stuck quite nicely to the skin, which is great. That's actually what I wanted anyway, but it is quite dark. So we will see. I will do this in the mirror and come back with the result. So fresh tint, taken it off, and it's looking quite bold right now. I'm just going to apply the mask. This is the number 3 restorative mask. Okay, so this is just going to give my eyebrows some love and nourishment because the follicle, not the cuticle, the follicle has been opened. Going in with the restorative mask now. Remember guys, with this treatment you don't wash your eyebrows, get them wet for 24 hours because like any kind of solution that you do, like with perms, with keratin treatment, unless it's especially, I have had some keratin treatment before which was able to be washed out straight away, but it's not as common and it can be more expensive. You just want to make sure that the chemical solution is able to do its thing. My hairs look fluffier and bushier, but that's the point. I'll be doing makeup in a minute as well, just a little bit to give a bit of glow. Finish off the video. Okay guys, I'm all finished up now with my makeup, so you can see how it looks with the brow lamination too. My eyebrows are a little bit darker and I've placed them in better position than what they were. I hope that this video has been insightful for you guys and that you have a stronger understanding and better confidence with knowing the timeline that you want to leave your tint on for if you go to the beauty salon and get it done, and what a brow lamination looks like. Have a good week and thank you so much for watching.